Welcome back, guys. Well, so doing a little bit of photography in our garden, the comfort of my own garden. So yeah, I've been monitoring the nest of the woodpeckers that we had here last year. Well, we've had them for the last 6 years, but I've been monitoring the nest that they used last year, in fact, for the last couple of weeks, and been noticing a lot of activity from both parents using that same nest again, which is very unusual. They don't make a habit of doing that. However, they have been, so they're definitely taking food in there. But why, I don't know. I haven't heard any chicks yet, but with the amount of activity that's been going on over the last couple of weeks, I'm pretty confident that there could actually be a chick or chicks in there. As I say, I've not heard them yet, but yeah, it's looking quite promising. But yeah, so I thought I'd just share this little experience with you. As I say, I'm in the comfort of my own garden. We're very fortunate that, yes, our house, we've got like a 6-acre wood surrounding our house. So yeah, we're very fortunate to get quite a lot of different species of wildlife in and around our garden and in the woods as well, which is exciting, and it's quite an easy job for me then, really. But yeah, I did loads of images of the woodpeckers and the chicks last year, and coming from the nest. Oh, we've just got one coming in now. So let me just see. There's the dad. He's just gone in, as you can see. And there he goes. So yeah, definitely took something in there and then out again. I can definitely hear something in there. Nest. I mean, I'm probably I'd probably say about, I don't know, 40 metres, 30, 40 metres. If somebody could comment in the comments below as to why, if they know that is, as to why this woodpecker family have decided to set up nest in the same nest as last year. As I know, it's very uncommon for them to do that. I know they do return to nests, but there could be a couple of years, several years between each visit to a nest. But yeah, this is the second year on the trot now with this nest. All the previous years that they've nested in the woods here, they've had a different nest. Oh, we've just got one back again now. I would really appreciate it if you could let me know. But yeah, this is it's brilliant. It's nice to see anyway, that at least that they're comfortable here, even with all the racket that we make. Yeah, it's quite cool having the woodpeckers here. I mean, they don't mind us. Obviously, I'm not going to loiter around here for ages, because obviously we're in and out here all the time. They are used to us. We've got our 2 springers as well. We've got our little boy, so there's a lot of noise around here caused by us. We don't have neighbours for around 100 metres or so. But yeah, it's they don't seem to be bothered by us at all, which is amazing. However, if they definitely have got the chicks in there, I don't want to be out here like this for hours on end. I would rather be in one of my hides or something, or at least in my ghillie suit or ghillie blanket or something a bit more camoed up, so as though I'm not posing any threat to them by just loitering around the nest. So, and literally they are just, that's how close they are to the house. So yeah, so I'm sure I'm not bothering them, but just to be on the safe side, I don't want to cause any unnecessary distress for them, just in case. I'm going to stick up some images for you also from last year's session, just to show you what I managed to capture last year, and hopefully I can do the same again this year, but a little bit better, I hope, fingers crossed. But anyway, so yeah, sit back and enjoy. Okay, so I've moved around a little bit. Oh, here's one of the parents about to come into the nest. Yeah, it's a bit of a better vantage point. I have moved probably 3 to 5 meters closer maybe to the nest. And I can definitely hear the young in there. But they must be very, very little, because I can only just about hear them when the parents return with some food. Yeah, it's amazing. It really is. But I'll pop up a little video for you now to view from last year. I was a bit further back, of one of the chicks sticking his head out of the nest, calling mum and dad for food. Well, I think I'm gonna leave them to it now. I don't want to stress them out with me being here too long. So I'm gonna stick a few images up. I don't know how good they're gonna be, but hopefully, if they're any good, you're gonna see them. If you don't see any images, it's because they were very poor. So yeah, this is going to be the end of part 1, so to speak. So yeah, I think I'm going to do part 2 when I can hear the chicks being more vocal, and by that point, and that's probably going to be another 10 days, 7 to 10 days, they'll probably start sticking their heads out of the nest, with a bit of luck, fingers crossed. And then yeah, I'll try and get some footage of that, and then hopefully for part 3 of this little trilogy will be when they start coming into our gardens. And yeah, that'll probably be the end. That'll be part 3 and the final episode. So yeah, I'm hoping you're going to stick around for it, and it would be nice if you did. Give us a thumbs up if you like this, and if you haven't yet subscribed, I would be very grateful if you did. That would be amazing. It would really help the channel. Yeah, comment below any questions, they're nesting in the same nest year after year. It's or I'm led to believe it's very unheard of. So yeah, if anyone knows any different, please let me know. Anyway, for now, I'll leave you to it, and I'll see you all soon. Take it easy.